Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily hide reposts of videos on TikTok. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments and put likes. And let's get started. So first, we're going to go into the TikTok app. And how do you repost? You do that by clicking on the arrow on the side. Next, you click Repost. And then, if you go to your profile, and you go to the video that you reposted, you'll see the video. But the video that you reposted is not only seen by you, it is seen by all the people who are subscribed to you. That is, they will be able to go to your page and also see your reposted video. So how do you hide them? Well, you'll need to go to the top, click on the three bars, then go to Privacy Settings, and this is where we go to Privacy. And the only way to hide video reposts on TikTok is to make your account private, just like mine. If you have it disabled, then you'll need to turn it private. After this action, absolutely no one will be able to see the reposts of your videos. But if you want to hide this information from a certain user who is subscribed to you, then go to Followers and find the person you want to follow in the list. You can search by name by clicking on the search box and enter the username of the person. So, after you've, let's say, found the person you want to hide video reposts, you click on the three dots next to their name. And now you click Remove this follower and confirm the action. After that, the person will no longer be subscribed to you, will no longer see your posts, your reposts, respectively, because you've made your profile private. Unfortunately, this is the only way to hide video reposts from any specific one person. I hope this video was useful for you. You understood how you can hide reposts of videos on TikTok from everyone or from a specific person. Put your likes, be sure to write comments, also subscribe to our channel, and see you next time, friends.